What's going on, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video. In today's video we're going to be checking out another smartphone from Wish, and it's called the NowA 50 Pro. Now this one is supposed to have the fingerprint ID, which I hope it's not the same like the last one we did, because that one was just pretty much a fake fingerprint ID. Link to that video in the description below. It's supposed to also have Face ID, which I'm not expecting much from that. 8 gigs of RAM, 128 gigs of ROM, and 10 core processor, which I'm pretty sure it's not true. It's also supposed to have Android 9.1. So yeah, I guess we'll find out. Here's the phone right here. Like I said, it's called the NowA 5 Pro. It's a pretty simple box, all white, nothing crazy going on there. Let's check out the phone. Phone is packed pretty nice, at least, so it's probably it's not gonna break, or it shouldn't break during shipping. We have the bubble wrap and another plastic bag in there. We have a case, which is always appreciated. I wish all manufacturers included at least a simple case just to get started. Then we have this cheap replica of the Apple charging adapter. We have a micro USB cable, some cheap headphones, and of course the user manual. And that's pretty much the contents of the box. Let's bring the phone back in. We're going to get all the plastic off. Now, similar to the last one we did, it did include a screen protector, which is on right here. I just went ahead and peeled off the first layer. But this one also have a back screen protector, which is pretty cool. And then, like you guys can see, this is the blue one. It comes in a few colors. Now, this is the P series. Don't know what that means. But we have a flash and what looks to be 3 lenses. Hopefully, they are real and not fake like the last one we did. To this side here, we have the volume rocker up and down, as well as the power button. To the top here, we have the micro USB charging port, as well as the headphone jack. To the bottom, we have our speaker grill, and we have our front-facing camera and what looks to be a fake flash right there. I'm pretty sure it's a fake flash. Let's pop open the phone. Alright, so this is a good start. At least the lens here are still there, but who knows if they're fake or not. We have the battery right here, which looks like it's a 4000 mAh. Hopefully, it is actually 4,000. We have a SIM slot right here, which is a pretty big one, at least in this century. In this time. And then we have the micro SD card, if you guys want to expand on that 128 gigabytes. All right, let's lock it up. We're going to slap the case on just for some better grip. And the case does fit pretty nice. Let's turn this on and see what we got going on. Alright, so we got welcome here. Now, there's no branding like we're used to with the Apple phone, the Samsung phone, LG. Normally, when you turn it on, you'll get their logo on the screen indicating that that's the phone or the phone brand. This one just says welcome. It looks like it's stuck at welcome. Alright, so we got some sound. Hopefully, you guys heard that. And welcome once again. Okay, it's a very welcoming phone. Here we go. Will it take us to the home screen, or will it take us to a setup screen? I have a strong feeling it will probably take us to a home screen and not a setup screen. There we go. I kind of knew that already, guys. Already went ahead and punched in the Wi-Fi code and everything. Alright, so this is the home screen here. We have the phone, contact, messaging, Internet Explorer. We have the gallery, music, settings, and camera. Now, if you guys already noticed, this is like a retro or a older setup of Android. Yeah, I was really hoping it was kind of more modernized, but hey, we got it from Wish. I forgot to mention the price earlier. It was $74. It's a little bit on the high side, but hopefully it's worth $74. Alright, so let's check out the camera really quick. I'm going to bring my Roku remote in frame, and we're going to use that as our test. Alrighty, let's snag a picture. There we go. I'll throw it up so you guys can see. So that's an indoor picture. I'll also throw up a few outdoor shots just so you guys get the feel of the camera. Now, keep in mind, today it's a very beautiful day. It has a lot of sunlight shining down on us, so it might look good. Who knows? Alright, so that's the camera. We're going to go over the settings, see what we got in here. Now, remember earlier it said we were supposed to have 128 gigs of internal storage. Let's see if that's true. Alright, total space 128 gigabytes. We have available 120 because I went ahead and installed some apps so we can try them out. But then if you scroll down, it has the phone storage a second time. I don't know what's the difference. You have phone storage, and then you have and it looks like it's not scrolling. Okay, and then we have internal storage right there. Alright, so at least the storage part is right. That's good. We're gonna go to About Phone to see what OS it's running, and Android 9.1. So at least that was right, but I'm not sure if that's real. I'm pretty sure that is not real, guys. Okay, let's go back home. That's pretty much everything we're gonna go through in settings for the About Phone. Alright, so let's try to do the fingerprint like it claimed it has. Where would that be? That might be in security. Okay, screen lock. Okay, here's the face unlock, guys. I'm gonna set this up off camera, and then we'll try it out. Here's what we're gonna do, just so you guys see that the face unlock sets up. I'm gonna tilt the camera to the right, just so the phone that I'm recording on is out of frame. So we're gonna go to screen lock right here. We are going to go with the face unlock. Of course, we're gonna do that. Continue, and it's gonna try to scan my face. So I'm just gonna tilt the camera, and then I'm gonna go out of frame, just so it can scan my face. There we go, guys. I don't know if you guys can see, but it's trying to scan. There we go. There we go. There we go. Okay, scan complete. And then, if we hit continue, it's going to ask us to set up a pattern or a pin. I'm going to do pattern. Oh, we're just going to do something simple. There we go. Something simple. Okay, so that looks like it worked. Let's try it out. I'm going to lock the phone. Alright, guys. Then going to unlock it. It's going to try to scan my face. And it unlocked. It unlocked, guys. Let's try that again. Let's try that again. There we go. It looks like it's working. Alright, so at least the face recognition worked. Let's try to do it with an obstacle in the way just to see if it's really going to do it or not. See, the phone's in the way and it doesn't recognize, takes us straight to the pin. Alright, so I'm going to give this a thumbs up for the face recognition unlock, because it looks to me like it's working, and I'm actually impressed by that. So that's pretty neat. Let's just try the fingerprint. Let's see if we get lucky, because the last one we did, if you guys didn't see, the fingerprint was actually fake. It was not real. Let's see if this one is actually real. So we're going to go screen fingerprint. Wait, what? Okay, I'm pretty sure that one's fake, because if we lock it and we go like this, it's going to ask for a fingerprint, and you can literally use any finger. Yeah, so that one is not the best one. But the face unlock does work for what the phone is, coming from Wish. Pretty cool. Alright, I'm kind of happy with that. I'm kind of impressed. So that's some of just the main features that I'm going to look at. The ones that were like posted on the pictures on the app. Full spec list will be in the description below. Okay, so let's go over to some of the main stuff that we're going to do with the phone. Let's go over to YouTube, of course, because let's face it, everybody YouTube's on their smartphone. There's not one person that does not have YouTube on their smartphone. Alright, so we're just going to go to Ellen right here, because Ellen's pretty dope. It's pretty dope. Everyone likes Ellen. We're going to load this video. That's how fast it loads. It's a little bit lag to it, but yeah, it's bearable as long as the video's playing. We're going to skip that. Okay, there's Ellen right there. The video seems to work. We're going to go to landscape. Alright. YouTube works, guys. YouTube works. I like YouTube. That works. At least you're going to be able to stream it. No issues at all. Yeah, it's not perfect, but at least it works. Let's try another random video. Oh, he's killing it, guys. That little kid is just killing it. Let's go. Let's see what's trending right now. We might have to have some patience. That's literally the only thing, though. So let's go to. Let's see what TMZ has going on. That's the volume all the way up. As a matter of fact, you know what we're going to do just to try out the sound quality? We are going to go to non-copyright.
So we know around 4:30 this morning, two men wearing masks and hoodies broke into a Hollywood Hills home, firing several shots, including a fatal one.
Some crazy news, guys.
We obtained video of paramedics paramedics taking him out of the house, performing life-saving measures, and we know he was then transported to a hospital where he was later pronounced dead. As of right
That's
now,
crazy. That was a random video, and sad to hear people getting shot like that, you know? It's crazy. Alright. So we have some non-copyright music, because we don't want to get copyrighted. At least you can hear it, but the sound quality is not that good. But at least you can hear what's playing. So that's the plus side. It's not distorted. It's just, yeah. I'm gonna let you guys decide on that. But yeah, no. All right, let's go home. Let's go home. And lastly, the last thing we're gonna check out on this phone is some gaming. Let's see what the gaming is. So we covered some basic features that kind of made this phone stand out to me, especially with that face unlock. I just wanted to see how good that was, if it even worked at all, and it does seem to work. The YouTube worked similar to the last one we did, and let's see the gaming. So this is a pretty simple game, Subway Surfer. It usually loads up way faster on the average smartphone, but it's taking a whole year to load on this one. So I'm going to keep this live on the frame. I know it's going to lengthen the video, but so you guys can see if this phone might be for you or not. Because I don't think you're going to be buying this phone to be your personal phone. And if you are, I highly recommend against it. This is going to be more for like a little kid. You can just buy it, load up tons of game on there, have them just play when they're bored. Or, you know, they can be on kids' YouTube just watching some videos so they don't have to use your personal expensive smartphone. Subway Surfer is not loading well. It was working earlier, but it's not working now. Don't know what the issue is. Maybe we have to reboot the phone, but for something as simple as Subway Surfer, the phone should work. Candy Crush works. I don't have it installed here because the phone is just a little bit slow, but Candy Crush does work. That's pretty much it for the phone. I do see here we have FM radio. Now, another reason that you might be able to use this phone, I know I just said that's going to be the end of it, but if the GPS works, this could be a pretty good GPS phone. If you're doing Uber, this can probably be a GPS phone for Uber. If you're traveling pretty far and you just want to, know where you're going, this can probably be your GPS phone. Let's just type in something. Let's just type in shopping. Let's just type Shake Shack. It's the first thing that just popped up. Let's see if this actually works. Okay. It's pulling up. It's slow, but it's working. Okay, we got this one in Austin Street. Okay. Alright, let's hit route. It's a little bit different. But let's see if it works. Loading. Just gonna... Okay, needs to access my location. Yes. Turn on location. There we go. The multitask button is terrible on this phone, guys. Or the phone is just super laggy. Alright, let's go back to maps. This is the last feature that we're going to try because this is going to make or break it on this phone. I know I'm giving it a lot of chances, but let's see. Okay, my location. Okay, at least it try to pick up. Waiting for my location. Yep. Nope. This is not reliable at all, guys. And I'm on Wi-Fi. So if you're on LTE and you're just in a very bad area where your signal is terrible, you're probably just going to get lost. So, yeah, I probably wouldn't buy this phone for GPS purposes. And that being said, that's where we're going to end the video. Let me know what you guys think about this phone. I'm pretty sure most of you guys will not buy this phone. But the whole purpose of this video is in the event that you saw this phone on Wish or Geek and you wanted to buy it, hopefully you see this video before you made your decision on buying the, what is this called again? The NowA 50 Pro or something like that. Yeah, that's it, guys. Drop your comments, drop your thoughts, hit the like button. If it helped you in deciding on this phone, or if you didn't like it at all, you can also hit the dislike button. It's all good, guys. And until next time, thanks for watching. As always, guys, I've been getting a lot of support on the channel in the version of people just subscribing. I'm very surprised because my content has not been that consistent, But for those of you who hit the subscribe button, it means a lot to me. And for those of you who also hit the like button, please suggest anything you might want to see in upcoming videos. I'm always open to trying new products. And with that, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.